won't believe it how crazy is this cliff, you know, here. I don't know how much will be the dip, you know, of this. More than 80 kilometers until this point. I mean, it's going to be more than 100 kilometers in total, you know. I'm really glad you all guys are here with me in this chopper, because this means a lot for me, you know. Ride all those kilometers of adventure for all of you guys to show you this. Beautiful place. Let me know in the comment below, you know, if you know this place, if you was here already. What do you think? It was hard, tough, because the last 6 kilometers to come up this waterfall, oh my god, so tough, very tough. I thought I'm gonna die, but anyhow, yeah, valió la pena venir y el esfuerzo. Keep safe the natural environment. Always the natural will provide for all of us, guys. Look, beautiful. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, you know, to hit that bell button to stay tuned for all the new videos coming ahead. And big hug, love, bless up. Until the next time.